that's all I have for July. And if there was anything that was going to make me question where this series is going, that's pretty much it. But I've been doing monthly vlogs for almost 2 years now, and I'm really happy I've done it. And I've been trying to change it up this year a lot, and it's been so fun. I've really enjoyed changing and changing and changing, but I think now it's time I moved on from this format. My plan is to still make scrapbook type videos when I need them, and I do need them sometimes because my memory is still shit, but so try to make them only when I have interesting or fun things happening in my life, instead of trying to force it every month when sometimes there's just not much happening or not much that I want to talk about. So hopefully the end of these monthly videos is the start of something new and fun, and I have already a lot of videos planned that I hope are gonna be cool, and I can't wait to finish and post and have everyone see. So thank you for watching these for 2 years if you have, and I hope you'll stick around for the rest. Love.